What's up guys, Mike back with a video, and man, I've been hammering the fish the last 2 days, and so I wanted to put together a little compilation, and no fluff, all catches, none of the extra garbage and stuff, or the extra stuff I normally put in it. We're just going to do all catches. I'm going to try to keep this fairly short, but hope you guys enjoy this, and you know, some of it's the schooling fish on top part, but man, this has been a lot of fun. So again, hope you guys enjoy this, and please let me know what you think in the comments section. All right, boom. Hey. Hey. Good fish right here, 20 inches on the dot. Pretty solid one. After a slow morning, definitely glad to catch her. She gone. I'd have had to take it off. I guess there's just a school of fish under there, huh? Oh, there he is. That's a good fish. Holy cow, dude. That's a tank. That is a tank. Even go in the net, dude. Oh, that is a freaking tank. Wow. Dude. Look at that fish. Dude. Look at that thing. That is a chunk. That's good, man. I mean, yeah, he's not very long, but he's super squatty. Look at that thing. That is a fish. Wow, that thing is solid. Huh? We're gonna let this hoss go. Get back in there, big girl. No, I'm on the tree. Whoa! Well, yesterday these fish in here were like 19 inches. They were schooling huge. Today they're 16 inches, 15. Little guy. Where you get the water? Alright guys, that's going to wrap this one up, and man, you can see we hammered them. Yesterday Nathan got them, today I got them, and I bet I caught, I don't even know, they weren't all on video, probably 25 fish today. So it was a great day. Sucks I broke my rod. It really broke my heart, and I couldn't even scream. I couldn't get mad about it because a boat had pulled up about 20 yards behind me. the whole lake was wide open and a boat come right up on top of me. They saw me catching fish, I guess. And then I snapped my rod in front of them and I couldn't even scream. I'm not gonna cuss about it or anything, but I was angry. And you know, I guess one thing is that was probably my favorite rod too. It's a Shimano Kumara rod that I've had for probably since 2008. I'd caught hundreds of fish on it, so definitely my favorite rod. Sucks I broke it, but I did call Shimano, you know, after I did that kind of on the way over here a little bit ago. That was fast talking. Called Shimano, and they're going to send me a new one hopefully. So I got to ship the old one back. I'm at Lowe's right now. I'm gonna run in there and get some PVC pipe and ship that back today, so hopefully I can get a new one. I do have a tournament coming up in a couple of weeks, so I want to get the new rod, get the setup ready to go for that tournament. Also probably gonna head to Academy tonight and look for another rod, so spending too much money on fishing. And anyway, I'm rambling at this point. We're gonna call this one done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the content. Please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. This channel is all about, you know, kayak bass fishing, bait fish traps, a little bit of trot lining, and then I don't know where we're gonna go from there. It's just for fun. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you all have a wonderful day. God bless. And we'll see you in the next one.